Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sai Khushi Creations. I am Khushi and in this video we are going to review acrylic colors from Flash Paints. So let us get started with the unboxing of these colors first. So I purchased these colors from Amazon India. You can easily get them from Amazon. The link is provided in the description box. So let us start opening the colors. They come in a really good packaging which is damage free, and your colors will come in a really nice condition. So this box contains 16 colors and each bottle is of 50 ml. These are artist acrylic colors which can be used for art, craft and paint work. These are non-toxic colors and they can be easily used for any surface. They are made 100% in India, so that is really good because it provides work to our Indian workers as well. These colors can be purchased from Amazon India, as well as you can even purchase them from their local agents. You can get their local agents in Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Jaipur in India, and even you can get their agents outside India, which is Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Dubai and Indonesia. So let us open the colors. Let us remove the plastic wrap that comes around the box. So as you can see, the condition of the colors is really good. You will get all the colors in a really nice condition, and each and every color is really good. The quality of the colors is really good. So let us open a color. So the size of the bottle is really big. As you can see, these are really big bottles and the quantity of color in them is really nice, and these colors can last for really long time if you use them nicely. So let us remove the covering now. They come in a leakage proof covering. So as I mentioned earlier, you can even contact their agents, and these are UV protected. These are dirt free colors, and you can see the colors are really bright. The colors are really different from each other, and they are of really good quality. So I even opened a other color. You can even leave the packaging as it is and use them, but I am going to remove it right now. Now let us review the colors. So as mentioned that they can be used on various surfaces, we are going to use them on various surfaces so that we can see that they work properly on these surfaces or not. So first of all, let us test if these colors work properly on paper or not. You can easily use these colors on paper, canvas, etc. As you can see, these colors work really properly on cloth as well, on canvas as well, and on paper as well. Now let us test if it works properly on plastic or not. These are really smooth colors, easy to use, and they can easily be used on plastic as well. Let us see if it works properly on glass or not. You can easily make various designs on glass surfaces. They work perfectly fine on glass as well. You can even use them on concrete. You can even use them on gypsum and terracotta. So even on brick surfaces or mud surfaces, this is a clay diya, and even on that the colors are working really properly. Now let us open another color and test that. So they are working really nicely on wood as well, so you can use them on wood surfaces as well. Now let us test them on metal. So when you will work with them on metal, you can easily work with them. They work really amazingly on metal as well. So let us see if they work properly on POP or not. You can easily make idols look beautiful. They work really properly on POP idols, mud idols, any idol and any goddess idol, you can paint them easily. So I am going to paint this in my other video that will be coming on my channel as well. So as you can see, these colors are really nice. Do buy them from the link given in the description box, and if you buy them, don't forget to tag us and Flash Paints on Instagram. Their Instagram link and the product and the link for the product will be given in the description box as well. And also do check out their new arrivals that are available on Flash Paints, and even their artist canvas pad. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.